Hey guys, my name's Tammy and welcome to my channel. It's Life with Tammy. I'm so excited that you're here and oh, there's Bella. She's making her film debut. She's a cuddle bug. So in today's video, we're basically going to do a lot of, as you can see, a lot of laundry there. There's tons of laundry that I needed to get folded up and put away, and my daughter's room just happened to be the dump spot. But anyways, in this video, we're just going to be taking care of the laundry and a little bit of organizing, some light cleaning, and getting this into a comfortable, happier, more functional space for my daughter. She's in her tween years, so, you know, they need to have their space. But anyways, I hope you enjoy, and let's get started.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
right. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Well, guys, I'm really impressed with how the room turned out, and I know my daughter's just really gonna enjoy this space. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you can get notified when I upload another video like this. So again, guys, I want to thank you for stopping by my channel and viewing my video, and I guess I'll see you again in the next one. Thanks again, guys. Bye.